Today we're going to put all our parabola work together. We're going to look at some interesting parabolas and their shapes and summarize all these parabolas. Y equals x squared is your basic parabola. It looks like that. When you've got y equals x plus b squared, it shifts the graph negative b along the x-axis. So it looks like that in that position. When you have y equals ax squared, it gives it a stretch, a units. So for y equals 3x squared, out 1, up 3, out 1, up 9, etc. and back 1 up 3. Here's y equals 3x squared. If you have y equals a 3x plus b squared, it would go back to the b there and it would be 3 times as stretched. And I'm tired because this one is the similar. So when you get one that looks like this, that d is a vertical shift on the y-axis. So if d is this value here, then your parabola just shifts up to that value, y equals x squared plus d. If it's combined with that one there, it shifts it along, c units up d, to give you that value. And a negative ax squared goes upside down. So here's a good question. Give me the equation of this parabola. First of all, work out where the vertex is and has it been shifted along the x-axis. Yes, it has 3 units, so we put the squared there because it's a parabola, and we put the plus 3 because this is the clue for the x value. Negative 3 plus 3 equals 0. Next, look at the vertical shift. It's been shifted down 5 units, so we can just tack a minus 5 on the end. Next, look, is it out 1, up 1? For our normal x squared, it's normally out 1, up 1, out 1, up 3, out 1, up 5. But this one is out 1, up 2, out 1, up 6. Twice as big, so we put a 2x squared there. And you have your cool equation of the parabola. Go through that one again if you need more practice. We'll try another one. Look at your vertex. In this case, x is 2. It's been shifted along 2 units. That's the clue. X minus 2. It's been shifted in the y, minus 9. So it's minus 9. Then we check, is it out 1, up 1, out 1, up 3? And we can see on the left side it's out 1, up 1, out 1, up 3, out 1, up 5. So there's no need to put a number at the front. The equation just looks like this. So what's the equation of this inverted parabola? Go to the vertex first. Put in your sideways shift. In this case, that's the clue, plus 3, and the height, plus 4. It's a squared, so it's a parabola, and it's negative. Then we have to check what's the number that goes in the gap here. Go out 1, down how many? 1, 3, 5, and 7, not 4, but we've gone down in quarters, so the answer here is 1/4. There is another way of checking that, and that is to use a formula. Let's take this point on the graph, which is the point 1, 0, and plug it in the formula. So we get 0 equals negative a, and put the x and value in. And working it through, you get 16 plus 4, put the 4 over the other side, divided by 16, negative 4 over 16 equals negative a, so a equals 4 over 16, 1/4. And for the next one, we'll look at how to use a calculator for this.